let's go ahead and look at how to customize our store. To do that, let's click on Edit Theme right here. And this will open up the Shopify store editor. Currently, we are on the home page, and we can also navigate to other pages by coming up here and then clicking on any of the other pages of our store. When we come up here to the top right, we can also switch the view. So currently we are on desktop view, and we can also go to mobile view right here to see what our store looks like on mobile devices. Now, it's very important that your store is optimized for mobile as well, because most shoppers nowadays actually shop on their mobile phone as opposed to on their computer. However, we're gonna make sure to design everything here on desktop, and Shopify does a great job optimizing everything for mobile automatically. But we can make sure to check the mobile view at any time by coming up here. Then here on the left side, we can see a structure overview for the page we are currently on. So every page on your store basically starts with the header, which is all the way here at the top. So this would be our header, the announcement bar, the menu, and the shopping cart icon and stuff like that. Then we have the content of that specific page. So this would be the top banner right here. And then we have some featured products here on the home page. And then all the way at the bottom, we have the footer. So right now we have an email sign up section here, and then some terms and policy links, social media icons, and some text down here. So now let's look at how to customize all the content on our store and really make it our own. We're going to start all the way at the top here on the home page and replace the background for our hero section. So to do that, we can either just click on this background and then the menu to change it will open up here on the left, or we can also just come over here and click on hero, because this is the exact same section that we just clicked on before. Now, to add an image to this section, what I'm going to do is simply drag and drop my hero image that I want to use into this field right here. And just like that, the background will be automatically replaced with the image that you've added. Now, I also want to add a second image to my hero section. So I'm going to drag in my second image to this field here. And now it displays here on the right side of the hero section. Now let's look at some of the customization options. So here on the left side, I'm going to simply scroll down and look at some of the options. I can simply click on any of them and play around to see what changes and what I like the best. For example, I'm going to change the height from medium to large. And this will simply increase the size of this hero section. Another thing I want to do is place this text and button into the center of this section. So to do that, I'm going to simply go to position and change it from bottom to center. Next, I want to change the text right here. So again, I can simply click on the text, and then the menu for changing it will open up here on the left side. And then I'm going to change it by pasting in the text that I want to replace it with. And it's exactly the same for the button here below the text. We can simply click on it and then make any changes that we want here on the left side. Now, the next thing I want to do is add my logo to the top left of my store. So to do that, I'm going to click on this little gear icon here at the top left, and then go to logo and favicon. Then I can simply drag and drop my logo into the default logo section. Now I want to decrease the size of this logo just a bit. So I'm going to decrease the height from 36 to 30 pixels. And while I'm here, one more thing I can do just now is add the favicon as well, which is basically a square version of your logo. And once you've added your favicon, you're going to see it all the way at the top of your browser when you go to your store. So let's click on Save. And then we're going to go to the three dots and click on View to see a preview of our store. And then we can see our favicon right here at the top of the browser. So let's go back to our editor. Now, the next thing I want to do is change the layout of my header so the logo will be displayed here in the center instead of all the way here on the left. To do that, I'm going to go back to the overview for our sections and click on header. And then here under logo position, I'm going to change it from left to center. And I like the way that looks a lot better. And let's not forget to save our changes once in a while by clicking on Save here at the top right.